e-commerce company. Input format is the first line input consists of string, second line kth character. That means print. The first line input consists of string formed from the due to the bug. The last line consists of an integer. Char count representing the number of characters after with which white spaces. And you can divide the string using depends on this number. If you provide 2, you can divide the characters into 2 parts. Otherwise, 3 means 3 to 3 parts, like that. First, you can take string, after that, you can take number. Write the program using Python. S equals to input of. Next, n equals to int of input of. Then, for I in range of 0, len of s, n step value. Simply, you can print s of, you can use slice operator, s of I colon I plus n. Okay, n equals to space. Space రావాలన్నాడు space ఇచ్చుకోండి. Slice operator is very easy. Okay, simple processing. అంటే ఆ పొజిషన్ నుంచి ప్లస్ ఎన్ పొజిషన్ అంటే 0 to 2. నెక్స్ట్ I2 అవుతుంది, 2 to 2 అంటే 4 వరకు అవుతుంది అలా.